Okay, well, welcome back to another update on our automotive exhibition. And unfortunately, it's not a great update. We do not have good news here. So I've been going through this entire building, top to bottom, and I've been finding a lot of problem areas, severe problem areas. So as I've been going through this structure, we're finding a lot of issues with the roof. The rafters are either rotten, or have been scabbed in different places all through here. So structurally, I'm worried that there's going to be a lot of problem issues. We potentially, looking at the roof, you can kind of see it bows inward, and that is not great, because that means that there is a risk involved that this roof could collapse on people. And we don't want that. And I especially don't want to be covering up rot and stuff. So to get this particular site to work for what we need it to do, it's going to be tens of thousands of dollars more money than we originally anticipated. So right now, I'm in the process of trying to find an alternative site to do the same thing that we were planning to do in here elsewhere in the museum. We do have 9 other buildings we can choose from. So hopefully we can find another solution, because I just don't think this is going to be viable without a ton of donations. And we've been struggling to get donations as it is. So right now we got problems with the front wall. It's sagging. Both of our doors are leaking. The seals are bad. They are letting in a bunch of water and snow. A lot of our brickwork in here has seen better days. So unfortunately, this site in particular may be a complete write-off for us. And actually, it may need to come down at some point. It may be past the point of where we can actually feasibly save this structure, which is too bad. But we definitely don't want to have guests out here if there's a risk of somebody getting hurt. So unfortunately, that means we need to now pivot and figure out where we can put our new site, because we still want to have this new attraction for next year. I still want to continue to move forward with that idea. We just need to figure out a place to put it. So that's unfortunately the update for this building. Once we have a new site determined and a new path forward, I'm going to be updating you guys on what we're going to be doing, because there's still a lot of winter left. And unfortunately, since I'm not going to be traveling, I have some time on my hands, so I want to work to make this space or another space work in the way that we hoped that this one would. So I'll update you guys after our next meeting. Our next meeting is January 6th, so I should have some more information. But until then, that's my update for now. And when I have more information, I'll let you guys know. So till the next video, take care, guys.